Well, it's always nice to do just a basic review, sometimes a full review about LiveGood, okay? I'm going on my 2-year mark of being a member and affiliate. Let's see, April of 2025. So it's barely Feb right now. So I got about a year and 9 months underneath my little belt. Okay. I know LiveGood extremely well right now, from infrastructure, who owns it, who operates it, how the pay plan goes, what the products are like. And guys, if you just sit back on your phone or home computer, you can just watch videos and go to the website and figure out for yourself if LiveGood is for you, just as a company to put products in your guts, or if you want to earn some money like me. Okay? It's very easy. LiveGood, it just mopped up in 2023. 2024, it was in the top 5 again as far as best home-based business, and it's probably going to come in at number 1 or 2 in 2025. All right, we're still averaging about 50 to 60,000 people a month joining, and that's worldwide. Is it saturated? Hell no. No, 0.00001% of people that like online business even know about LiveGood. Okay, so if you just like to do a YouTube video or maybe post on social media, send out an email, all right, you can do business cards, however you like to spread information to invite someone to do something. Okay, like come to my kid's birthday party. Hey, what are you guys doing? Click this and watch that. Okay, that's all I do. I've signed up well over 400 people. Okay, it puts me number 27 out of 1.7 million people on the leaderboard of LiveGood. And I think most of us leaders, we just keep things real simple. You don't want to advertise, and you don't have to have group meetings and Zoom meetings and do all this stuff to where you feel like you're getting somewhere. But then at the end of the day, you're like, okay, I got very minimal signups, but on top of that, I got zero money coming in. Okay. So if you enjoy the products, that's awesome. That's probably the easiest way to get people in as affiliates, is because our products are wholesale based. No one's going to beat our pricing. Our ingredients are probably the most expensive ingredients that you can put in each product, but we're still cheaper than everyone else because we focus on the wholesale price. Most expensive ingredients, but we're wholesale. So even when you get filler and just crap products that are like, let's say, $25, our products are more expensive and we're probably selling it for 12. Okay. So the reason I like LiveGood, and I became a member of LiveGood because of the products, but I'm also a very kick-ass affiliate. Okay. I do very well right now, not only just with LiveGood, but with a handful of things that complement LiveGood. And I had no idea I'd be good at this business. I can't wait to just do a video and screw off and have fun by inviting you guys to click to watch something. Okay. For example, let me just show you real quick. I won't make this video long, but do you see that business card I made at Vistaprint? I paid 25 bucks, $5 for shipping. I bought this domain, joincory.com, at GoDaddy for like 11 bucks. And what it does is it forwards to a capture page. Okay. So if you want to see what it looks like, why don't I just show you? So I'm going to type in Join Cory on your screen. So if you look right now, you're going to have this exact page. Okay. People will watch this video. It's about 6 minutes and it does all the heavy lifting. It's our CEO and he shows you what the products are and how the pay plan is and everything. And if you watch 20 seconds of this video and you want out, just delete this video, delete the email, and you're on your way. And if you watch the whole thing and you just want to bookmark, okay, come back later. Join LiveGood in a month or two. But if you want to join now on the spot, just put your name and email address in, put reserve my position, then you're going to get an email from LiveGood. Open it up and you can join there. Get your username, password, configure if you want to pay with a debit card, Visa. We even take cryptocurrency. You guys will figure it out. But I just invite people. Okay, I invite people to that link, and then it goes to this link. Do you see on the top of your screen? I'm not going to say, guys, go to livegoodtour.com/Cory Draper, blah, blah, blah. Okay, you're going to have your own page like this. Even in the middle, do you see where it says Cory Draper's website? You can change all that wording. I just, my name is Cory Draper, so I just bought Cory at CoryDraper.com for my email, and I bought, as simple and short of domain as I could. What do I want you to do? Join. I also bought joincorynow.com. And then I work with Cory. And then I bought my name, CoryDraper.com. And I like to keep things simple. And since these domains are only like 10, 11 bucks, and all I do is just invite people to that link you see on your screen that goes to this page, okay? Let LiveGood do all the heavy lifting. Let this video talk about everything you don't want to. Trust me, it works. All the people that are probably the most successful that I know in this company do the same thing. Just let all the video, and you got to agree. Isn't it fun just to sit in your car behind your steering wheel or in the back seat or on a couch or in your bed at night and just watch videos? You know, could be this type of video or maybe TikTok or something. I know you guys are into just video, so let the video do everything. You don't even need to do a video like I'm doing. I just have a webcam set up. I hit record. I talk for anywhere from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Sometimes I do 15, 30. Sometimes I'll do even an hour, a little seminar thing of things I've learned or maybe some advice about stuff, you know. But my average video, if I just make them 5 minutes, like right now I'm at 6 minutes, talk to you guys a little bit, maybe show you some of the back office, and then just leave you with, please invite people to your capture page. And if you want to go to GoDaddy or whoever sells domains, get your own. Work with Bob. Work with Bob now. Okay? If your real name is, let's say, Ellen Thomas, ellenthomas.com. Join ellenthomas.com. Whatever you like. And if it's open, they're like anywhere from like 10, 11 bucks. That's all you're going to spend. And you don't need a website. You're going to get a website already built that works and does millions a month. Okay? The products, there's customer service, there's shipping, there's handling. LiveGood does all that. Let them earn their moolah. If you take the products, good. If you don't like them, you got 3 months to send them back, even if the package is empty, the container's empty. Get your money back. Okay? People love that. We're the cheapest because we're a wholesale-based company. We have the most expensive ingredients. We rock. We have 3 months, 90 days, this many days, 9 times, what, 10 times? This many days. If I do this 9 times, you can get your money back. Okay? Pretty good deal, right? That's how I became an affiliate. A member is 10 bucks a month. An affiliate is a one-time fee of 40. 40 bucks, that's it. So for $49.95, you can come aboard right now. Okay? Take my hand. I'll send you an email. I'm going to email you exactly what I do every single day, every single week. All right? I got money coming in. It's kind of baby, I don't know what you call it, grandfathered into some other opportunities that complement LiveGood. So I don't have just a pile of cash coming in from this opportunity. I have other ones that are coming in too. And they all benefit LiveGood. They get me leads and clicks and traffic for people to join. Okay? I want you to just copy what I'm doing. That's it. Don't try to figure stuff out on your own. Just copy where people are being successful. Okay? And then you can branch out a little bit as you go along. But right now, why not just make things simple? Join. You got 50 bucks, come aboard. If you got 100 bucks, you get 12 months for the price of 10. It's up to you. I don't make any more or less. Most people will join for the year. Okay? But just join now. It's winter time. Now's the best time. People are wanting to lose weight. They want to earn money at home. Okay? Usually it slows down in the summer, even though we didn't last summer and the summer before. But when it's summertime, people are fishing, camping, they're doing stuff, going to Disneyland, okay? But in the wintertime, where I live, we're kind of, it's not that we're cramped up. You know, we got skiing and we got a lot of cool stuff, snowmobiling going on. But, you know, a lot of people are just at home and they just want to make money, lose weight. What better time than now? Okay, so if you're watching my video, awesome. Thank you for the last 9, 10 minutes of your life. But I'll go ahead and just show you one more time where I'd like you to go and click. All right, if you don't mind, just do that. Okay, and I'll help you as much as I can, guys. But you'll see, LiveGood is so dang easy, and it's so affordable. That's why we're just kicking butt right now. Okay, joincory.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just hit that little bell thing or whatever. You guys know what to do. And Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email, okay? All right, thanks for the last 9.5 minutes of your life, guys. Okay, peace and love. Okay, I'll see you next video. Deal? All right, take it easy. Bye.